Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some creatures under the microscope. They may be gross, but they're very important to your garden. So let's get started. This is a pill bug, also called a Roly-Poly, because it rolls into a ball to protect itself from predators. It's tiny, even smaller than your pinky nail. Pill bugs are not insects. They are crustaceans, like lobsters or shrimp. They have 7 pairs of legs. They eat dead leaves and live in the dark, wet places in the garden. You never really see them. They are called decomposers because they turn dead leaves into soil. Here is a skeleton of a hydrangea flower. The flower died, rotted, and was probably eaten by pill bugs. Believe it or not, pill bug's blood is blue. It contains copper, while human blood contains iron. And this is a close-up look at an earthworm. The better the soil in your garden, the more earthworms live there. They also eat dead leaves and even dirt. I'll tell you a limerick about a worm. Okay. A worm, Nicodemus McHale, said, "Marry me, Agatha Snail. I would if I could, but I don't think I should, 'cause I can't tell your head from your tail."